Let's have a look at question 1b, part 1. So, Ministry of Health recommends that adults eat at least 3 servings of vegetables a day, and we're told the number of servings that adults have each day can be modelled by a Poisson distribution with a lambda of 3.2. So that's a rate of 3.2 servings per day. Okay, so that's our distribution. Now we've been asked to, using that distribution, find an estimate for the proportion of adults who eat at least the recommended number of servings. So the recommended number was at least 3. That's what they've been recommended. And so we want to know what's the probability that somebody has at least, so greater than or equal to 3 servings. So if I think about this in terms of a number line of how many servings I could have, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. When we're talking about being able to have at least 3, that's talking about 3 or more than 3. So people that have at least 3. So that is what we call a right-hand side. Now, if we want to do this on our calculator, or the tables, we would add up all of those using the PD mode on the calculator. Or we can be a little bit cleverer and say, well, actually, on my graphics calculator, it's going to calculate, I need to find this, because that's what my calculator will give me. Using the, not N, it'll use the Poisson, so it'll be the PCD mode. And I know that both the left and the right side together have to add up to 1. So if the calculator will find this left-hand piece and I want the right-hand piece, then my probability is 1 minus the probability of being less than or equal to 2. So I've got the red there, 2 is included on the left, the number 3 is included on the right. So I am going to go to my calculator. I'm going to go into my stats mode, and I'm now going to go across and go distributions, across there, find my Poisson distribution and the PCD mode. So my X value, well, that is this value here of 2. So I'm going to put in an X of 2, and my mean there, or the rate, is 3.2. And that gives me probability 0.3799. So I'm going to get my pen, and we're going to go 1 minus what was that number? Come back, 3799. And that will give us a probability of 0.6201. And that's our answer.